Silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape.
I'm a traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Kenya. They treat me like a son anywhere I go, and even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own, on my own. I have learned that no one else can carry this load. It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board. Oh, there is beauty to enjoy on this road, but even so, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own, on my own.
Got me feeling the air, and under these autumn leaves, what a breeze. Got me shaking and loosening up after all of your summer teas. Pretty please, we don't need to rush ahead or get too mad. Ooh, you possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying sane. Oh, oh, we know love has, we know pain. Your lack of will is your ball and chain. Say you play for keeps, yet you give up so easily. Everyone has a secret dream, but I swear you got more of a scheme. You're so carefree. Leave perfection, get your head straight. Ooh, you possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying sane. Oh, shame. Once you set that fire into motion, you can move oceans.
You can move oceans,
No doubt about it.
no doubt about it.
Ooh, you possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying sane. Oh, oh, we know love, we know pain. Your lack of will is your ball and chain. You possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying sane. Oh, oh, we know love, we know pain. Your lack of will is your ball.
Vindt u het een leuk filmpje? Een duimpje wordt gewaardeerd. En wilt u abonneren? Dat is helemaal gratis. Dank u wel.
Now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown.